Right, water leak found video, 2005 911 convertible car. Let's show how the water's getting in. Okay, this is simulating rain. Obviously he's got a watering can there, but we're pouring the water down where the gap between the glasses, and most cars have a way in, the water goes in there and then it will come out the bottom, but in this particular time it's coming out of the bottom but on the wrong side of the membrane, so it's coming out there below, so effectively that would go straight over the rubbers and get in the car. So that's one way water's getting in. Now we've got a little bit of a suspicion about this area here because the rubbers are all a bit grubby and dry and dirty. Normally the water would run down there and through a little drainy bit, so this all needs a good clean. Now we've got the wet bit on the carpet there behind the driver's seat. Now that carpet's is all wet. I'll show you that. I mean, actually, I can feel it, and it's wet under here as well, and the foam's quite thick, but it's wet. That usually comes from the drains at the back here, because they have drains in here, and it's a known problem. You might be able to find another video on that, but the water's supposed to run down the roof and through these little gaps, and then it will then go down and through and into the arch, but clearly they're blocked, which is why the water's coming through and onto the back place where the seats would sit. These are little pop-out seats, so here's the one here, and you can see there it's wet on the back, and this is absolutely sodden. I don't know if you can see my fingers moving in the water, but that's absolutely sodden there, and the same here because it finds its way over. So the seats will need to come out to be dried. Now, just show you that, this is where the mould's gone, so people don't realise you've got the headline in there, and there's mould all the way down. The whole headline is smothered in mould, so that will need to be cleaned with an antimicrobial. And also you've got here, look across here, this is where the rubbers will need cleaning, because this is obviously where the water's been let in. So it's come past that, probably blocked the drain as well, and you've got dirt in all this recess. So we'll show the car when it's all done. The customer's going to have all the seats out, and we're going to make the car like new again as well. It's going to have the hood cleaner re-through. You can see all the green on it, and of course there is more mould on that side, so just got to keep away from that. Okay.